What's up, beautiful people? It is day 6 of our China adventure, and we just got to Kunming. We've never been here before, and it is gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Like, holy cow, we're so happy, so excited.
Yeah, it was like a 5-hour drive from Penelope's hometown, and we just finished having an amazing New Year's celebration with our family there for the past few days, and then we've all traveled here to another area where we're gonna have a couple of days of just like holiday, like relaxing, hanging out. And so we booked some rooms here at this beautiful resort. What's it called? The
Hualux. Hualux Kunming.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
It's incredible.
So we're really looking forward to the next couple of days. This is the last couple of days that we're going to be here with Penelope before we head home, and she's going to be staying here for like another 5 weeks, which is really, really special for her.
Crazy,
but a little bittersweet. I mean, we've never left one of our kids in another country before, but we know she's in good hands with her foster family, and it's going to be really special for her. So really looking forward to these next couple of days, though, and so it's going to be super fun.
Guys, the sun is out today. It is a glorious, glorious day, and we are walking to the beach. It's about a 20-minute walk to the beach here in Kunming. Having a blast. Just had a delicious breakfast. Our tummies are full, and we are feeling great. So, are you pumped, Penny?
Yeah!
Yeah! We got all the foster family right here with us, and just all walking together. It's such an exciting day. It's so funny because everywhere we go, people look at us like, what are these people doing here? Getting some bread to feed the birds at the beach. So cool.
You guys gonna throw some bread to the birds?
You guys just like put it right here or put it in your mouth and they're gonna pick it up.
Really?
Yeah, have you ever saw people?
把小孩挤上去了。掌声给你。
They're good.
Really good. It's like candied strawberries.
That's awesome.
It's very heavy. Oh my god. Good. Careful, that candy's gonna literally pull your teeth out of your mouth.
Is it good?
That's really good. Crazy eyes for crazy crowd. You guys don't know these people.
You don't know this guy?
No, I don't speak English. Who the heck is this guy?
So cute.
I'll break your back. That's why they're called shenanigans. What is it? Not shenanigans.
Wait. Could you like jump on me? Jump on me.
so pretty. Thank you, babe. Oh, they're so pretty. They're literally so beautiful. Thanks, babe. You're so sweet. Penny got some flowers for each of her foster moms and for me. And they're so beautiful.
They are.
They really did catch our eye as we were walking by.
Their head.
Yeah. Here's one more.
给你买的花。哎呀，谢谢。这不是白色的哦。哎呀
So pretty. So we just got home from a really fun full day here in Kunming, doing so many really cool sightseeing things. Penelope's foster family showed us around, and it was just really, really fun. We had like a really good time, but we're really tired.
Yeah.
Like we were walking all day long, so our feet are a little bit sore. I think we're gonna like maybe at least put our feet into the hot tub. Maybe just get into the hot tub, lay down. I was like, we're just gonna take it super easy the rest of the evening. Are you guys tickling each other?
No. No, what are you talking about?
Definitely not. But actually, it is our last night all together here because tomorrow after breakfast, we are heading to the train station and Penelope is going back with her foster family to her hometown and is going to be staying in China for like another 5 weeks, right?
Yes.
So that's really exciting. Like we're so excited for you and so happy for you.
Oh, thanks.
And also probably going to cry when we say goodbye in the morning and have to drive away.
Don't worry, I'll be flying by myself.
That's right. You're going to have to fly all the way home by yourself in like 5 weeks. So
Yeah.
that will be a really big deal too. But you are like a strong, independent woman and you can definitely do it.
I think so.
Definitely.
Yeah, I can.
We'll be so proud of you. And then it'll be so good to be reunited.
And I'm
at
gonna
home.
see you guys again.
I'm glad. I'm glad we will see each other again.
Don't worry, we will. We will.
Good. I'm glad. Don't worry, we will.
Don't worry, we will.
Yeah. No, it's been a really special trip, and there have been so many amazing moments though on our trip here in China. What are you guys doing?
I continue.
I get to continue now? Okay. There have been so many amazing moments.
She's sitting in my lap right now. Bro. Sitting in my lap.
But there have been so many amazing moments here in China. We were trying to like think through like what were our top moments, but there's just too many to count. Like it's just been such an incredible trip, and so it's definitely something that we're going to cherish for the rest of our lives. And it's been really special to do this as like a girls' trip and just kind of have like this unique dynamic. We've definitely missed the boys a lot, and so it's gonna be really good to go home and hug them as well. I'm keeping all this in. We're just one take. I'm tired. I cannot do this. He's over here editing some photos. It's
I've
been
got 300 photos I took today.
Yeah.
And I want to make sure Penny has them before we leave tomorrow, so I'm just knocking it out quick.
Yeah, her foster family loves taking photos too, so it was really cool because we got to take a bunch with them and just document a bunch, and so that's been really special. But yeah, we're definitely going to be, it's going to be very bittersweet tomorrow saying goodbye.
Aww.
I'm like, so we are going to turn off the camera, just enjoy the rest of the evening together. I'm going to go hop into the hot tub. I don't know what these girls are going to do, but
Continue. Don't worry about it.
I'm just saying bye. You guys want to say bye?
Bye. It was an amazing time.
It was
Thank you for
amazing
watching us. And it's really fun. And you guys stop. Okay. And I'm so glad that you guys kind of like see like how Chinese New Year's are like. And then it's pretty cool. And you know.
It's been amazing. Like Chinese New Year in China was like such an amazing experience. And all of the food was incredible. All the food that your foster family made for us, that was really, really cool too. We tried some new things. I tried a worm and high protein.
High protein.
It was very high protein, and honestly the flavor was really good. It was a little bit of a different consistency than I am used to, but I'm proud of myself. I branched out a little bit. Steven did too, but he's always had, you know, a knack for trying weird things. You had a scorpion the first time we came to China.
Yeah, I just feel like, you know, just go with it, you know, learn new experiences.
Yeah.
Have new, you know, fear factor your
It's
life a little bit.
It's an adventure, right? Steven's very adventurous. I am definitely appreciating a more adventurous life as well, and so I'm trying to branch out there. So the worm was definitely, you know, up there, but it was really fun. Did you eat a worm, Penelope?
I did. I tried one.
You did have one.
Yeah.
The girls had one in their bowl. I don't know if they took a bite though.
I don't think they
I
did.
did not.
Yeah, but you guys did try a bunch of other stuff. Like
Yeah.
you did branch out quite
That
a
was
bit.
amazing, guys. I'm so proud
We
of
have
you guys.
expanded our palettes,
Oh,
and
I'm so
Yeah.
proud of you. Congratulations. Alright guys, sorry, we're being a little funny, but you know,
But
that's
it's been
how
really
we
special.
We're being a little funny.
It's been really
That's how we
special.
are.
Yeah, that's how we
That's just
are.
how we are.
Yeah.
This is how we are.
That's how we are.
Oh my gosh. So we will close it out here, but thank you so much for watching, and we love you guys. We're really grateful to be able to bring you along on special moments like this. Like this is just such a special thing for us to be able to do, and we love that we get to share it with you guys. So
Very, very special.
thanks for being here. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
See you soon. Dean. Not so much about you. Stop. I'll stop it. I'll see you guys in a month. I'm gonna be in. I'm dying. Cooking.
You're cooking. Group hug.
Wait. So proud of you. This is going to be such a fun trip for you, and we're so proud of you, and we cannot wait for you to come back too. We'll have a special celebration when you come back, okay?
Okay. Bye. Thank you for bringing me back.
I'm so happy. We'll do it again.
Do it again, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make more money.
Bye bye.
再来个哦，再来哦，明年再来哦。拜拜。来，拜拜。
Bye. Bye.
Have a safe trip.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you.